Hi, my name is MD Farouk. Today I'll show you the mini project from DNS to HTTP. So my goal is to one DNS resolve the host name to a TCP three-way handshake happen 3 and HTTP get 200 OK was exchange. So let's start. So I open the Wireshark here. So I will run this, and when it is running I will go here and run this one, nervous ssl.com. I just typed before, so try before nervous.ssl.com. which is running, and I'm waiting for some minutes. Okay, nervous.ssl.com. So this is nervous ssl http nervous.ssl.com. Okay, http nervous.ssl.com. Oh, sorry, not this one. Okay, nervous is not secured because it is HTTP. If it HTTP is a secured, HTTP is not secured. This is not because HTTP is a SSL encrypted. That's why. So okay, whatever it is. So nervous.ssl.com here is also nervous.ssl.com. So last then that's okay. Now I just stop the Wireshark. Stop the Wireshark. Now I'll save as mini project Wireshark. There is a folder name before, so I just take mini project Wireshark traffic, mini project Wireshark traffic, FFIC. Okay, I save as a PCA PNG, capture, so save. So now we'll do over there. Okay, here if you go this one, okay, then I'll see everything. Now whatever I'll do, I will visit. I already visited in fresh browser, visit nervous system. So I showed you, I visited, find the DNS. So DNS and DNS flag response equal to 1. I'm showing you DNS and DNS flag response equal to 1. Run is running. Yeah, see, this is all the DNS server, and source is this one, and destination is this one. Okay, now is responses, and this is my device. Yes. Okay, if we see here, where's my IP address? Okay, whatever it is, this is source is responses. And now I will record the AIP record one. Look for this one that matches nervous.ssl.com. Okay, so I will check here. nervousssl.com. Where is the nervous SSL? It should be last here. I have to go here, nervousssl.com. You see here, I get here, glow engineering quickly, nervousssl.com. Here, this one. So that IP address I noted 34.223.124.45. 34. Okay. There is a 34.223.124.45. Okay. I record this one. I found it. So this one, record the record. This is server. This is the actual right now the server over there. Now show IP address equal to server IP. Now I'll click on here, IP address and port equal to 80. Okay. IP address equal to server IP. 34.223, 34.223.124.45 and TCP port equal to 80. So if I go this one, you'll see this one all. If you see information, it's port equal to 80. You see, synchronize. And this one, destination. This is the source desktop, my desktop. Okay, requested from the server. This is the destination. Okay, and port equal to 80. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so here if you see that synchronize all, synchronize, acknowledge. Okay, okay, and CNAC. This one. Okay, now port 80. I know what is port 80. So if I check here what the port 80 is for, say for DNS actually. Sorry, what the port 80. What the port 80 used for. Port 80 used for. So port 80 is a default network for the rest using HTTP. See, HTTP. So because you remember that I use here for here also I have. So this is not secure HTTP. That's why it is HTTP protocol, which port 80 is used over there, and which port 80 is used. So that's why receive port 80, and I also route down TCP port equal to 80. Now, okay, so synchronize from your PC server. Okay, file. Okay, now I'll this one on the synchronize. I'll show you here. three-way handshake I'll show you. So synchronize from a PC server. Yeah, I'll show you this one. If you'll see, IP equal to, I can put and okay, and then let's say this one, acknowledge equal to 0, then you'll see set all 34 to 23 124.45, which is actually this one, nervous astound in Gondar's splendid treasure.nervoussl.com. okay, so if I this in, you'll see all synchronized here, from here requested here, port 80 synchronize. Okay, this one requested synchronize equal to 0. Now I'll show you three-way handshake. Next one is I'll show you TCP synchronize equal to 1 and plus acknowledge equal to 1. That means the destination, this is this one, that will actually reverse back the packet that is acknowledge the packet. That one I showing sorry 1. You will see that one, the source is here, this one. Now source is this one because it reverse back, so all are acknowledged, synchronize acknowledge, okay, by from port 80 to this one. Now the last one I'll show you, synchronize equal to 1, this is I show you, and acknowledge equal to 1, this one I show you, and acknowledge from your PC, so length equal to 0 and TCP length equal to 0. So here I'll put this one, Control V. This is TCP prex acknowledge equal to 1 back. That means so when the source is send back acknowledge and acknowledge. So this is synchronize equal to TCP length equal to 0. So is the source, all are acknowledged here, all are acknowledged. Okay, so if we put here follow TCP stream. So now you see I'm following the TCP stream. You'll see the TCP stream, I'm going this one, SCT follow, then TCP stream. TCP stream from means how the packet started to go synchronize, the source started the synchronous packet to the destination. That means client requested to send the synchronous packet to the destination, so server acknowledge it and send it back, and the source or the client or my device it acknowledge, send the acknowledge. So this is called three-way handshake. So that is actually three handshake I'm showing you. This is my device. It calls this send a synchronized packet, you see, to throw port 80. So port 80. So and here that second line, this nervoussl.com as Towndy Gondar splendid treasure nervoussl.com. Send it to the my device. This is another source. Send it my device. I means client or browser. Scene egg from port 80, which is used for HTTP SYNAC, synchronize packet and acknowledge packet. Okay, then again my device is one, again send them ACK. That means it got this packet and acknowledge that the same 58222 to a port 8 acknowledge. That means this is three-way handshake is established here. Okay, that means yeah, three-way handshake is established. From first I have to DNS. First I've typed DNS, because from the name TCP to find out the it's actually port number, actually IP address. So I requested to the server that IP address from the server IP address. Then three-way handshake is established under the TCP. Now I'll see HTTP request response. That's why HTTP and IP address, whatever I know, HTTP and IP address equal to this one. So that is now I see HTTP and IP address, IP dot address equal to my IP address, you know, that's 34.223.145.145. Not 145.124.45. Okay, if I filter it, you see this one IP address, so it should be, you see, HTTP get means when my server, my device requested this website, this here, so it get, that's why I write down CA get HTTP 1.200. okay, CA get, you see, and 200. okay, then it send me 200. okay, 200. okay, get on it 200. okay. Okay, right click HTTP follow TCP stream to be the full request response. Right click HTTP packet. Okay, TCP stream. Okay, TCP stream. To be the full request response. You'll see everything here. Get host is this one, growing unique study clips nervousSSL.com, connection key alive. So HTTP 100 200. okay, server is Apache. Okay, close. So this one, you see, HTTP SYNAC and ACK, three handshake, and then desktop this one, get. Okay, it is get. Okay, then this one nervous SSL, same, acknowledge 1 or 200. okay, so this is all we got. Okay, optional export object activity to save that fetch page. This is optional, but file for export objects, HTTP. okay, file export objects HTTP. okay, save all. I save Hyper Wireshark TCP stream. Wireshark TCP stream. Okay. This mini project select folder. Okay. All these things save in the select folder mini project. Okay. If I save it, then again it tells, so I don't need 2 times. Then close. So you'll see everything right now is finished. Thank you so much.